Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to the series where we are designing a simple portfolio website for a photographer. Now in the previous video, we saw stage 1 where we designed the UI. Now in stage 2, we will prototype the designed UI. In stage 3, we will design the mockup. And finally in stage 4, we will animate the UI. Now in this video, we will cover stage 2. Prototyping the designed UI. We will see how to provide links from the navbar to navigate to the corresponding sections. All the stages will be available under the playlist and also in the descriptions. Before we begin, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon since it helps me down the road to come up with more creative contents. Alright, now that we are done with the initial design, all that's left for us to prototype. In the sense, when I click on a specific link, it should take me to the corresponding section. So at the moment, if I click on the play button, you can see that I'm able to scroll through the sections using my trackpad. But when I click on the corresponding links, such as about, it's not taking me to the corresponding section. So that's what we're going to solve at the moment. Now, since we're done with the initial UI, I'm going to remove the initial drafts and this text. Cool. So at hand, we have 4 sections. The landing site, the landing page, the gallery, the about section, and the contact. So we're going to create 4 separate frames. So go down here, choose frame, and then we're going to draw 4 separate frames. So let's do it over here. All right. Now let's create a frame for the gallery section. So choose the frame and I'm going to draw a frame for the gallery section. Alright. Now one for the about section. So I'm going to draw one now. And one for the contact section. Alright, we'll make the final adjustments again. So at the moment we have 4 frames. Alright, so the 4th frame, there's a slight trouble over there because it's within the frame 3. So I'm going to move the frame outside. And the contacts should be within the frame 4. And that is group 3. So I'm going to drag it to frame 4. Now to test it out. So you can see now it's in frame 4. Cool. Now all that's left is to provide links from corresponding sections. So name will be the landing page. About will take us to this section, and gallery to this section, and contacts to the final section. So as you can see, now we are in the design window. Go to the prototype window. Now choose the corresponding section. So I'm going to click on name. And as you can see, when I click on name, you can see a plus icon forming over there. Now that's the point that you click and drag to, to create the prototype. So let me zoom out. As you can see, I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to drag it to the main frame, that is frame 1. So now we get a bunch of options. So those are the interaction details. So on click, it should take me to this particular section. So on click, scroll to frame 1. Now I'm going to increase the animation time period to, let's keep it at ease in and out. Ease in and out, and let's keep it at, let's say, 1500 milliseconds. Cool. Now let's test it out. So I have the play button over there. You can click it again. Alright, so now when I click on name, it takes me to the landing page, right? Cool. So let's go back over here. Now we need to give the links for the corresponding about, gallery, and contact. So let's make sure you're still in the prototype window. Click on about. As you can see, we have this plus pointer. Now about should take us to the 3rd section, right? So I'm going to take it all the way here to the 3rd frame, frame 3. And again on click, scroll to frame 3, animate, ease in and out 1500 milliseconds. So once you set the default values, it stays the same unless you want to change them. So that's done. Now let's go for gallery. Alright, those are the above navbar. Now we should have the same features for the footers. So now do the same thing. Double click name. Now name should take me to the main landing page. Cool. Now about should take me to this section, frame 3. Alright. Alright, now let's test this one out. So click on the play button and let's see. So name is taking me to the main landing page. Let's say about. So it's taking me to the about section. Cool. Alright, now let me scroll back up. Gallery. It's taking me to gallery. Right? Now what's left? We have the contact section. So let's click on contact. It's taking us to contact. It's the same case with the footer. So if you click on name, it will take us back to the main landing page, right? And let's try gallery. It's taking us back to gallery. So what we could do is we could increase the scroll duration. So you select the particular line and let's change it to 2000 milliseconds. I'm going to do the same for everything. Let's click on the play button, or you can open this particular window. So, alright, now let's try this one again. I'm gonna click on about, and there should be a slight drag, and which is more favorable and more aesthetically pleasing for me. Cool, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Cool. Alright, we are done with stage 2. Now we will proceed ahead with stage 3 in the next video. If you love the effort, do give a like, a share and a subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.